Hello everyone, myself Rishabh Raj and I am from Gaya Bihar, the negotiator of the team Kasturba Gandhi.
Hello everyone, myself Rinku Kumar Bairo and I'm from Alwar, Rajasthan.
Hello everyone, I am Gita Mipung and I am from Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh.
Hello everyone, I am Akansha Sinha from Raipur, Chhattisgarh.
Hello everyone, myself Aman Kumar Meena. I am from Sawai Madhopur, Rajasthan.
Today we are going to present a video on the topic that is personal SWOT analysis. Have you ever felt like you are not making the progress you want in life, whether in studies, career or personal growth? We all have moments of uncertainty. The good news is there is a powerful tool that can help you take charge of your development. It's called personal SWOT analysis. A personal SWOT analysis is a tool for self assessment that helps you identify your strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats, ultimately aiding in personal and career development. Here is a breakdown of each section. Strength. What do you do well? Your positive attributes and skill that give you an advantage. For example, strong communication skills, analytical abilities, problem solving skills, creativity, leadership qualities, technical expertise, etc. What makes you unique and valuable? Weakness. Area where you need improvement, skills you lack, or behaviors that hinder your progress. For example, part-time poor time management, difficulty in public speaking, lack of technical skills, procrastination, lack of confidence, etc. Be honest and objective when evaluating your weakness, opportunities, external factors, or situations that could help you achieve your goals, such as new job openings, emerging technologies, or personal connections. For example, new training programs, mentorship, opportunities, networking, events, industry trends, etc. What external factors can you leverage to your advantage? Threats. External factors that could negatively impact your goals or progress, such as market charge, competition, or economic downstream. Evaluation to SWOT. The soft approach evolved into SWOT analysis, which stands for Strength, Weakness, Opportunities, and Threats. SRI's role. The Stanford Research Institute (SRI) played a crucial role in the development and promotion of the SWOT analysis technique. Early use. The SWOT analysis was used to assess an organization's strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats, helping to identifying area for improvements and strategic planning. The SWOT matrix. Hensey proposed the use of a 2 into 2 matrix for carrying out a SWOT analysis in 1982, initially popular as the Rose matrix. Understanding SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for Strength, Weakness, Opportunities, and Threats. It's widely used in business, but today we are applying it to personal and career growth. Let's break it down with some in depth analysis. Deep dive into SWOT. Strength. Your unique talent, skills, and attributes that set you apart. For example, strong leadership, problem solving ability, excellent communication skills. Weaknesses. Area where you struggle or need improvement. Example, procrastination, difficulty in networking, lack of confidence.
Examples: strong leadership, problem solving ability, excellent communication skills. Weakness: areas where you struggle or need improvement. Examples: procrastination, difficulty in networking, lack of confidence. Opportunities: external factors that can help you grow. Examples: online learning platforms, industry. Threats: challenges or obstacles in your way. Examples: competitive job market, financial constraint, and self-doubt. Real life examples like imagine you're a student preparing for competitive exams. Your strength might be analytical thinking, but your weakness is procrastination. An opportunity could be online learning platforms, while a threat might be intensive competition. Interactive exercise. Take a notebook, write down one strength, one weakness, one opportunity, and one threat. We'll build on this later. When to use personal SWOT analysis. Here's when a personal SWOT analysis can be particularly valuable. Career transitions or changes. When considering a new job, career path, or promotion, a SWOT analysis can help you assess your skills, identify areas for improvement, and understand the opportunities and potential changes in your target field. Goal setting and personal development. If you're setting personal or professional goals, a SWOT analysis can help you identify the strengths you can leverage to achieve them, the weakness you had to address, and the opportunities and threats that might impact your progress. Performance evaluation. When reflecting on your performance, a SWOT analysis can help you identify areas where you excel and areas where you can improve, allowing you to develop strategies for continuous growth. Addressing challenges. When facing difficult situations or obstacles, a SWOT analysis can help you identify potential solutions, leverage your strength to overcome challenges, and mitigate potential threats. Self reflection and personal growth. Regularly conducting a SWOT analysis can help you gain a deeper understanding of yourself, your strengths and your weakness, and the opportunities and threats you face. Interview preparation. A SWOT analysis can help you prepare for job interviews by identifying your strengths and weakness and formulating strategies to address potential interview questions. Strategic planning. A SWOT analysis can help you develop a strategic plan for achieving your goals, whether personal or professional, by identifying the resources, skills, and strategies you need to succeed. Here's a breakdown of the power of reflection in SWOT analysis. Doing a SWOT well requires honest reflection, feedback from others, and sometimes stepping out of your comfort zone. But the reward is worth it. It results in a clear visions of yourself and your future. Internal assessment. Strengths. Identify what your organization or project does well, the resource it has, and its unique advantages. Weaknesses. Acknowledge areas where improvements are needed. Potential external assessment. Opportunities. Explore potential external factors that could lead to growth, innovation, and success. Threats. Identify external factors that could hinder progress, create challenges, or undermine success. Strategic thinking. Action oriented. SWOT analysis moves beyond just identifying problems and opportunities. It encourages you to develop strategies that leverage strengths, address weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and mitigate threats. Proactive approach. By anticipating potential problems and opportunities, you can make proactive decisions and prepare for the future. Benefits of reflection. Enhance self-awareness. The process of conducting a SWOT analysis encourages self-reflection, leading to a deeper understanding to your strengths and weaknesses, and the potential of your organization or project. Improve decision making. By having a clear understanding of your you can make more informed decisions about resource allocation, strategy development, and problem solving. Increase resilience. Identifying potential threats allows you to develop contingency plans and strategies to mitigate their impact, making your organization or project more resilient to challenges. Facilities collaboration. SWOT analysis can be a valuable tool for facilitating group discussions and brainstorming, allowing for a more comprehensive and diverse perspective. Strengths are the internal characteristics, skills, traits, or assets that give you an edge in achieving your goals. They are the foundation upon which your career or personal development is built. These can include technical skills, example data analysis, writing, and coding. Soft skills, example empathy, time management, leadership. Personal attributes, examples resilience, creativity, and confidence. Experience, education, network, or unique perspective. Reflections, questions.
Personal attributes. Example, resilience, creativity, confidence. Experience, education, network, or unique perspective. What do people consistently praise me for? What achievements am I most proud of? Source of insight. Performance reviews. Peer feedbacks. Personality assessments. Example, strength finder via MBTI, journaling or self-reflection exercises. Example of personal strengths. excellent communication skills, ability to lead or manage teams, fast learner or highly adaptable, deep subject matter expertise, high emotional intelligence, strong problem solving ability, differentiating between SWOT elements in SWOT analysis. Strengths and weakness are internal factors within the organization's control, while opportunities and threats are external factors outside the organization's control that can impact the success. Internal factors, strengths and weaknesses. Strengths. These are the positive internal characteristics or resources that give a business or project a competitive advantage. Examples: strong bond reputation, efficient operations, skilled workforce, unique technology. Weaknesses. These are the these are the negative internal factors that put a business or project at a disadvantage. Example: limited resources, outdated technology, poor customer service, weak marketing. External factors, opportunities and threats. Opportunities. These are the external conditions or trends that a business or project can leverage to its advantage. Examples: emerging markets, changing customer needs, technological advancements, favorable, favorable regulations, threats. These are the external factors that could negatively impact a business or project. For example, economic downstream, increased competition, changing regulations, technological disruptions. Understanding SWOT is great, but uh, applying it is where the magic happens. Let's use it for the personal skills to help you recognize where you excel and where you need improvement. Detailed SWOT for personal skills. Strengths: quick learning abilities, creativity, adaptability, good memory. Weaknesses: difficulty handling pressure, low confidence, and fear of public speaking. Opportunities: free online courses, skill enhancement programs, networking events. Threats: fear of failure, negative influence, lack of motivation. Case study: overcoming weakness. Meet Rohan, a college student. He was highly creative but struggled with the time management. His SWOT analysis revealed that his biggest opportunity was online productivity courses. Within 6 months, he transformed his routines and improved his grades significantly. Get setting strategic goals using SWOT. Setting goals without a proper strategy can lead to frustration. Let's see how SWOT can guide goal setting effectively. To set strategic goal effectively using a SWOT analysis, first identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Then use the insight to develop strategy that leverage strengths, address weakness is address weaknesses, capitalize on opportunity, and migrate threats, ultimately leading to a clear, measurable, and achievable goals. Here is more detailed breakdown.
Conduct a thought SWOT analysis. Strength. Identify your internal capabilities and resources that give you a competitive edge. Passion for learning, disciplined work ethics, problem solving skills. Weaknesses. Acknowledge internal elimination of areas for improvement. Inconsistent routine, lack of time management, self doubt. Opportunity. Recognize external factor that could your benefit: organization, scholarship, online certification, industry membership. Threats: identify external factor that could negativity impact your organization. Distraction, financial limitation, lack of clear guidance. Real life example: creating an action plan. Search wanted to crack a competitive exam. Her shot slowed her strength in analytical thinking but a weaknesses in procrastination. She leveraged opportunities like free study resources and tagged their like distraction by following a structural routine. Analyze and prioritize. Internal factors. Focus on strengths and weaknesses which are within your control. External factors. Focus on opportunity and threats which are outside your control. Prioritize. Determine which factors are most critical to your strategical goals. Develop strategical goals. Leverage strength. Use your strength to capitalize on opportunities and minimize the impact of threats. Address weakness. Develop strategies to migrate weaknesses and prevent them from hindering your process. Capitalize on opportunities. Identify and pursue opportunity that align with your strength and goals. Mitigate threats. Develop contingency plan to minimize the impact of potential threats. Set smart goals. Specific. Ensure your goals are clearly defined and avoid ambiguity. Measurable. Establish matrices to track progress and evaluate success. Achievable. Set realistic goals that are challenging but attainable. Relevant. Ensure your goals align with your overall mission and vision. Time bound. Establish deadlines to maintain focus and accountability. Implement and monitor. Action plan. Develop a detailed plan outlining how you will achieve your goals. Resource allocation. Allocate resources effectively to support your strategic initiatives. Regular review. Monitor progress, make adjustment as needed, and ensure your strategy remains relevant. Applying SWOT to career development. Career success is not just about talent, it is about strategy. Let's apply SWOT to career planning. Career change or transition. If you are considering a new career, use strength to explore fitting roles. Identify what gaps, weakness you must close. Look for growing sectors or networks opportunities. Understand risks like competition, location, technology shift, threats, promotion or advancement. If you are seeking a promotion, show your how strength align with role. Address skill gap protectively. Leverage mentorship or internal projects. Prepare for possible setbacks like rejections, changing company priorities. Education planning. If you are in school or pursuing further education, choose courses that support your long-term goals. Tackle learning challenge early. Explore scholarship, workshop, and leadership roles. Watch for rising demand in specific career paths. Competitive sought for career growth. Strength. Strength, a strong academic background, go problem solving skill, adaptability. Weakness. Lack of practical experience, difficulty in networking, fear or failure. Opportunities. Internships, careers, professional training programs. Threats. Economic downturns throughout job market, lack of connections. Case study. Using SWOT to find the right career path.
Rahul was skilled in software development but lacked networking experience. By recognizing these weaknesses, he attended tech meetup and improved his connection. Within a year, he landed a top internship. Real life application of SWOT. Here, breakdown of how SWOT analysis can be helped applied in real world scenarios. Business strategies identify strengths and weaknesses. Business can use SWOT to understand their internal capabilities and limitations. For example, a company might identify a strong brand reputation strength, but also a reliance on a single product line weaknesses. Analyze opportunities and threats. SWOT help business identify external factors that could impact their operations, such as emerging market or intense competition. Developing strategies. By understanding their SWOT, business can develop strategies that leverage their strength, address their weakness, capitalize on opportunities, and mitigate threat. For example, a company might decide to expand into a new market opportunities by leveraging its strong brand reputation strength. Example: Starbucks, according to LinkedIn SWOT analysis, help Starbucks adapt to different market worldwide, identify opportunity for growth in countries like China while addressing threats such as rising competition and changing consumer preference. Project management strategy alignment. SWOT analysis help project managers understand the internal and external environment to ensure projects are aligned with the organization goals. Risk management by identifying threats and opportunities. Project manager can proactively manage risks and maximize potential benefits. Team formation. Recognizing team strengths and weaknesses help in forming effective team and assigning tasks appropriately. Benefit measurement. SWOT analysis can help project managers measure the benefit of a project and forecast its alignment with the organization strategy. In summary, a real-world alignment of SWOT analysis involves identifies strengths, weaknesses, opportunity, and threats related to a specific situation, analyzing the interrelationship between these factors, developing strategies based on the analyzing to leverage strength, address weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and mitigate threats. Conclusion: Personal SWOT analysis is a game changer. It helps you understand yourself, build on strength, and overcome weaknesses. The key is consistency. SWOT analysis stands as one of the most effective strategic planning tools used across industries, academic settings, and even personal development journeys. By distincting the four key pillars: strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threats, it's offer a 360-degree view of the current scenario. This holistic approach not only helps in identifying what is working well but also shed light on internal limitations that may hinder progress. Recognizing strength allows individual or organization to build their core com- competencies and reinforce what set them apart. Weaknesses, when acknowledged honestly, become the foundation for growth and improvement. Urging corrective action, opportunities reveal untapped potential, emerging trends, market gaps, or personal chance for advancement, waiting to be seized with protective strategies. On the flip side, threats highlights external risks, competition, or obstacles that could disrupt future plans if left under stress. What SWOT analysis is powerful? It is adaptability. It works for startup, multinational corporation, student mapping their careers, or even team assessing project feasibility. It encourages critical thinking, collaboration, and future focused action. However, the true value of SWOT analysis lies not just in listening these elements but in transforming insight into strategic action. When used correctly, SWOT is more than a tool, it's a catalyst for innovation, reliance, and success. It turns clarity into confidence and insight into impact. In a world full of uncertainties, clarity is power. SWOT analysis give us that power by helping us understand not just where we are but where we can go. Whatever you building a business, chasing a dream, or shaping your future, knowing your strength, facing your weaknesses, spotting the opportunities, and preparing for the threats, that's where real strategy begins. If you found this session valuable, share it with your friends, like the video, and subscribe for more self improvement tips. See you in the next session. Thank you very much.